Human beings are the only animals which can draw straight lines. Human skin is completely replaced about 1000 times during a person's lifetime. A person who smokes a pack of cigarettes a day is doing the equivalent of drinking half cup of tar a year. The structure of human body contains only 4 minerals. Fingernails grow about 4 times faster than your toenails. People with the blue eyes are more sensitive to pain than others. Nerve impulses in a human body move at about 90 meters per second. 1 million chemicals reaction occurs in a human brain every second. The surface area of a human lung is approximately equal to the area of tennis court. The strongest muscles in a human body is the tongue. The human heart is approximately equal in size to that of the person's fist. An adult heart weight 220 to 260 grams. At birth, there are 40 billion cells in a human brain. This number does not increase throughout a person's lifetime. After 25 years, the number of cells falls by 1 million every day. About 70 cells die in a minute it takes you to read a page in a book. After 40 years, the decline of the brain accelerates sharply, and after 50 years, neurons shrinks and the brain gets smaller. At birth, a child body is made up of around 300 bones, but an adult has just 206. During person's lifetime, the small intestine is about 2.5 meters. After they die, the muscles in the wall of the intestine relax and its length increase to 6 meters. Your right lung can take in more air than your left. There are about 40,000 bacteria in a human mouth. Each of us around 2,000 taste buds. The human eye can distinct 10 million different colors. The chemical compounds in the body which cause feelings of ecstasy is also contained in a chocolate. Human heart pumps blood at such pressure that it would be able to raise blood up to 4th floor of the building. A person burns more calories when they are asleep than when they watch TV. Children grow faster in the spring. Every year, more than 2 million left-handed people die because of mistakes they make when using machines designed for right-handed people. By the age of 60, most people lose half of their taste buds. The rate of which person's hair grows double during an airplane flight. If you were locked in a completely sealed room, you would not die due to lack of air, but from carbon dioxide poisoning. On average, a person says 4,800 words in 24 hours. Our eyes remain the same size as they were at birth, but our nose and ears never stop growing. In the morning, a person is about 8 millimeters taller than in the evening. According to German researchers, the risk of having heart attack is higher on Monday than on any other day of the week. Bones are about 5 times stronger than steel. It is impossible to sneeze with your eyes open. A person would die faster from the total lack of sleep than from hunger. Death would occur after 10 days without sleep, whereas from hunger it would take several weeks.